Is Florida the right state to protect your LGBTQ civil rights? Let's find out in this episode of FleeRedStates.com. I'm Bob McCraney with Texas Pride Realty Group, brokered by Homes Smart Stars here in Texas. And we are licensed in the state of Texas, but we have referral partners in all 50 states and several countries around the world. So Florida has obviously a Republican governor, Governor DeSantis. They have a Republican Senate, a Republican House, and a Republican Attorney General and a Republican Secretary of State. So they are a solidly red state. We are recording this 2 months before the November election. We will have to come back and revisit and see if anything changes with that. Move.org has ranked Florida as 34th out of the 50 states, so they're in the lower half as far as LGBTQ people, and they rank 34th in the nation for LGBTQ people to relocate to. FreedomForAllAmericans.org shows that they don't have many civil rights on the books for us at the state level. They have conversion therapy laws on the books that are pro-conversion therapy that have been stopped by the courts. So that means the law is still there. I don't know if it's been reversed or not, but the law is only not being enforced because the court made them stop. So there are pro-conversion therapy laws there in Florida, apparently. There is no adoption law on the books in Florida that helps LGBTQ families. It shows that there are some hate crimes laws and some anti-discrimination laws, but Freedom for All Americans, and Move.org have not given them good numbers on their protections for LGBTQ people. The average sales price of a house in Florida is right around $396,000, so right around $400,000. There are 53 hate crimes groups being tracked in Florida. This is a very high number. Southern Poverty Law Center is tracking 53 hate groups in Florida. Wikipedia shows that they do have a sodomy law in the books there. So if we lose the protections of Lawrence v. Texas at the federal level, Florida automatically has a sodomy law that's still on their books. It would be interesting to see how they would try to enforce that. They have a high temperature in the summer of averaging at 81 degrees and a low averaging at 59. They have 54 inches of rain a year. They're tropical pretty much, it's Florida. And they have almost no snow. They just have a little trace of snow each year on the average. They have no income taxes, in Florida. So that's one of the draws to the state, is that there's no income tax, and it's nice and warm and everybody loves the weather. But are there enough protections for LGBTQ people to justify moving there? If you're interested in getting out of Florida, let us know. We can refer you to a community member, realtor who can take care of you. Or if you're looking to enter Florida, let us know. And we have the same referral network who can help you in that direction as well. Take care, comment below.